大家好，我係背心大師，恭喜鋼鐵小雞大佬贏得無盡冠軍啊！四強俾機械豬大佬淘汰咗添，又上演一個翻版嘅決賽啦。上個禮拜都係咁，無貨仔32強咧就輸咗俾鐵哥嘅，然之後咧佢再過埋文老爹，羅伊咧就6億4千萬戰力喺16強度輸咗俾我。咁我哋睇一睇呢場啦。後手係咪真係冇乜優勢咧？睇睇先。一開始咧同弟僵屍男吹雪俾人暈咗，佢隻僵屍同吹雪都俾我暈咗，咁 fair 啦，公平啊！兩個都出到追擊，咁個提速就永久加速啦。大家嘅海王都可以一拳打出去冇問題。咁似吹雪啦，就可以做到個冷血出手啦。咁如果個吹雪都做到一個冷血出手咧，咁就非常之公平啦。冇問題，我哋吹雪都出到手嘅，咁其實都係5波啦。其實咧就除咗鋼鐵小雞大佬咧之外咧，其他人全部都係5波嘅。但係鐵哥咧真係完全碾壓，一陣間睇下決賽。咁我哋好快睇一睇我輸咗俾機械豬嗰場先。咁好老實啊，羅伊老師攞咗扭曲力場4級都唔會太影響個戰局，因為其實大家輸出實在太猛啦，已經超出咗所有完善嘅生命。咁機械豬大佬就贏咗我啦呢一場。咁其實佢就暈咗我隻吹雪同埋個僵屍男嘅。咁其實點解會輸呢？因為我隻吹雪咧由頭到尾都冇出過手嘅，咁佢不停咁樣冷血我，咁所以就 GG 咗啦。所以其實先手都有佢嘅優勢嘅。慶幸我隻海王都可以打到一拳出去啦，打咗18億啊，起碼我冇輸得咁難睇，俾到啲挑戰機械豬大佬。好，咁都係嗰句啦，5波嚟嘅，咁佢暈咗我隻吹雪，我隻吹雪出唔到手，咁都冇嘢好講嘅。見到佢其他角色不停咁樣冷血我啦，咁就 GG 咗啦。最後呢場真係精彩，想講機械豬大佬唔係渣，但係鋼鐵小雞大佬咧真係完全碾壓。你會見到咧，因為地底王可以頭5個回合都可以暈到人嘅，而機械豬大佬咧基本上係俾佢暈到冇出手機會咁滯嘅，所以係一個完全碾壓。經過上個禮拜嘅教訓咧，鋼鐵小雞大佬係唔會再容許有10個回合，然之後俾系統判決輸呢樣嘢發生㗎啦。見到機械豬大佬咧吹雪係冇出過手嘅，然之後本身佢隻驅動騎士係可以出手嘅，又俾人暈咗，出唔到手啦，又喺度企啦，然之後隻吹雪已經死埋啦，出到一次冷血喎，竟然可以。好啦，嚟到第2個回合啦，呢度真係超級精彩，打到機械豬大佬完全冇出手嘅空間，實在太過分，鐵哥實在太兇猛啦。機械豬最後隻海王大師都死埋，好，隻僵屍男可以出到手嘅。鐵哥吹雪同埋海王先出一次手先啦，然之後 Oh my God， 見面到地底王爆發啦，暈咗驅動騎士同銅帝，然後再主動出擊暈埋佢隻地底王。呢一個情況咧係持續到第5個回合之後嘅，所以佢係冇出過手嘅。記住地底王係可以暈3隻啊，每次出手。佢而家得返3隻角色，咁即係點？即係佢唔會有任何出手嘅機會，除咗復仇同埋僵屍男冷血之外。Sorry， 僵屍男係冷血都出唔到。好，再爆發，再暈咗2隻，出唔到手啦，完全。咁而家可以出手嘅人咧，得返驅動騎士復仇返嚟咯。所以如果你開局咧暈啱咗吹雪啊、僵屍男啊、海王呢啲咧，然後你係先手咧，哇！你真係唔使玩啊！復仇第一次出到手啦，不過都影響唔到戰果嘅。好啦，記得 comment、like、subscribe 同 share 個 channel 啦。再次恭喜鋼鐵小雞大佬封王，放邊一個大佬落去同鋼鐵小雞打咧？今個禮拜真係都係一樣嘅下場嘅啫。好啦，下次見，拜拜。
The way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too